Welcome to one of Quebec's most epic engineering marvels, the Tadoussac Baie-Sainte-Catherine Ferry. Built in 2010, these modern vessels are part of the Société des Traversiers du Québec fleet, designed for year-round operation, even in icy conditions. This isn't just a boat ride, it's a floating highway that hauls cars, trucks, and dreams across the majestic Saguenay River every single day. Think this is just a scenic shortcut? Think again. This beast of a ferry can carry up to 110 vehicles and 432 passengers in a single crossing. From tiny hatchbacks to massive 18-wheelers, it's built to handle it all. And while you're on board, keep your eyes peeled. You're cruising through the Saguenay St. Lawrence Marine Park, home to belugas, minke whales, and seals. It's not just transportation, it's a front-row seat to nature's show. How big is it? Try 77 meters long and 20 meters wide. That's longer than an Olympic swimming pool and wide enough to host a dance party between the lanes. And weight? These ferries are designed to handle hundreds of tons of cargo and vehicles, like floating fortresses. Below the surface, the Saguenay River plunges to depths of over 275 meters. That's deeper than the height of the Statue of Liberty. And yes, this ferry sails right over it. As you step inside the ferry, you're greeted by a clean, functional interior designed for comfort during the short crossing. The passenger lounge features wide windows that let in natural light and offer scenic views of the water, even from indoors. The interior is climate-controlled, keeping passengers warm in the winter and cool in the summer. You'll also find clear signage, safety instructions, and accessible washrooms nearby, making the experience smooth and stress-free. Whether you're a tourist or a local commuter, the ferry's interior offers a simple but welcoming environment to enjoy the journey. The crossing spans 1.6 kilometers, just about a mile, but it's a vital link between Quebec's Côte-Nord and Charlevoix regions. No bridge, no toll, just smooth sailing every 13 to 60 minutes, 24/7, all year long. So next time you're driving through Quebec, don't just hit the road, ride the river. The Tadoussac Baie-Sainte-Catherine Ferry is more than a crossing. It's an experience. Smash that like button, subscribe for more travel marvels, and drop a comment if you've ever taken this legendary ride or if it's now on your bucket list.